If you've lost access to your Discord account and can't receive verification codes, follow these steps to attempt recovery. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Discord login page. Before starting recovery, use the Escher.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Check your email. After requesting a password reset, check your email inbox for a message from Discord. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the link in the email to reset your password. Step 3. Use the Discord support forum. If you cannot reset your password, visit the Discord support page. Fill out the support form with your account details, including your email address and a description of your issue. Be as detailed as possible to help the support team assist you. Step 4. Verify your identity. Discord may ask for additional information to verify your identity. This could include previous usernames, account creation date, or any payment information if you have made purchases. Provide accurate information to increase your chances of recovery. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, wait for Discord support team to respond. This may take some time, so be patient. Keep an eye on your email for any updates or further instructions from them. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your Discord account or at least get guidance from the support team. Good luck!